Hello, in this video I want to show you my Glock 26 Generation 4 with the barrel of the Glock 19 Generation 4, and I will also show you that the barrel of the Glock 17 doesn't fit in the other two pistols. All three pistols are caliber 9mm, so now let's field strip them and see what's inside. To field strip a pistol, a Glock pistol, take the pistol, release the magazine, pull back the slide a bit, put down the slide lock and let the slide go forward and out. And then you remove the spring, Generation 4 double spring, take out the barrel, and your Glock is field stripped. I will do the same thing with the other two pistols. Here are the three barrels. Barrel of the 26, of the 19 and of the 17. All barrels Generation 4. Here we have the barrel of the 26 on the barrel of the 19. And you see the parts which are important for change look identical. Here we have the barrel of the Glock 19 on the Glock 17, and you see the part is different, and the barrel of the Glock 17 will not fit in the Glock 19. You see here we are on the same in the back, and this part, hope you see it in the camera, this part is longer, and so we have here a difference between these two barrels, and so the barrel of the Glock 17 won't fit in the Glock 19. Next thing I do is I put the barrel of the Glock 19 in the Glock slide of the 26. Take the spring of the Glock 26 and also the slide of the 26. And you see, this is how the Glock 26 looks with the barrel of the Glock 19. Now let's try if the pistol would be able to load. What I do next is load the pistol, therefore I put some rounds in the magazine. This is the magazine of the Glock 26. The magazine of the Glock 19 would also fit in the Glock 26. 3 rounds. Now load the pistol, put in the magazine, pull the slide back, and the pistol is now loaded. What I now try is if the slide operates correctly. Therefore I pull back the slide, and you see it will operate correct. Third round. To reload a Glock, you take out the magazine, go with your left hand over the slide, pull the slide back and catch it with the slide catch, and you will have the round in your left hand. The pistol is now safe and empty. On a shooting range, you would lay it down like this, barrel direction always on the target, and so everybody is able to see that the pistol is safe. Now let's go on the shooting range with this combination. Here we are on the range with the Glock 26, Generation 4 with the barrel of the Glock 19. 5 rounds through it, and you see the pistol works. These were my 5 rounds. 5 more rounds with the view on the pistol. Also worked perfectly. This is the target after 10 rounds. Now Glock 26 with the magazine of the Glock 19. Looks like that. Magazine is a bit longer, but it also fits. There would also be a 33 round magazine available. 5 rounds again. So the pistol works perfectly with the barrel of the Glock 19 and the magazine of the Glock 19. The target of the 15 rounds. Now for comparison, the Glock 26 in the standard setup with the original barrel. Five rounds with the original barrel. And to make this thing complete, 5 rounds with the Glock 19 Generation 4. Ten rounds on the target. So this was the Glock 26 with the barrel of the Glock 19 on the range. Would I recommend this combination? I don't know. You get more power because of the longer barrel. The sideline will be the same, and of course the Glock 26 gets a bit bigger with this barrel, and if you have to draw this pistol there could be a problem because of the longer barrel. So for me this was just a video if it would work, and yes it does, but I will use the normal barrel in my 26. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.